Tesla Cybertruck has a new and updated design, and with that new updated design, the Cybertruck is spotted at a Tesla Fremont racetrack in the Fremont factory with a giant windshield wiper. Welcome back, friends. This is Armin. I am from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel, as this channel brings 3 to 5 Tesla stories every day. A new Tesla Cybertruck prototype with an updated design has been spotted on the automaker's Fremont factory test track, and with a video revealed today. It's the best look we had at the upcoming electric pickup from Tesla, the pickup truck, in a while. Tesla unveiled the Cybertruck back in 2019, and for the longest time only a single prototype of the electric pickup truck has been spotted out in the wild and at Tesla events. The vehicle program has been delayed, with production now expected in late 2022. With that extra time, Tesla has been expected to update the electric pickup truck with new features and a slightly updated design. More recently, Tesla disclosed that it has a few alpha prototypes of the updated Cybertruck, and it is soon moving to the beta phase ahead of production within the next year. Now we get a rare look at the latest Tesla Cybertruck prototype, friends. A YouTuber going by Chili AI 100 does drone flyovers of Tesla's Fremont factory and spotted the new Cybertruck prototype on the test truck at the Fremont factory of Tesla behind the Tesla plant. They managed to capture a good 10 minutes of footage, some of which you're seeing on your screen, with credit to them, of the Tesla testing the new electric Cybertruck on the test truck. So the prototype appears to be brand new, with some tape holding some of the trims and cables together. As for the updated design of the new Cybertruck, there are a few things that are obvious, like the massive windshield wiper. Do you like it? What do you think about that massive windshield wiper? Tesla has been developing an electromagnetic wiper system that features a single blade like this, and it has been rumored that Cybertruck will be the first Tesla vehicle to feature the new technology, thinks Electric. However, we can't confirm, says Electric, that this is what is installed on this vehicle, as this wiper appears to feature a more traditional, albeit massive, swivel system. The new Cybertruck from Tesla also features side mirrors, something the prototype didn't have. Tesla planned on having side cameras feed into screens inside the electric pickup truck if regulations allowed it, but it's not yet the case in North America. CEO of Tesla Elon Musk has previously said that Tesla plans to still implement this system and make these side mirrors easily removable so that owners can modify them themselves. The new Cybertruck prototype spotted today either didn't have the retractable bed cover featured on the original prototype, or it was fully retracted, thinks Electric. Tesla appears to also have updated the front lighting of the Cybertruck with 3 smaller lights in the middle between the headlights. Originally, the vehicle featured a full headlight side to side that looked more futuristic. Some are also suggesting that the bed is smaller, but it's hard to tell without comparison at scale. The bumpers, both front and rear, of the Cybertruck look significantly updated, with a design that is likely going to be more compliant with regulations. And also, friends, as for the likes, they are similar to the original prototype, as polarizing as ever. Love it or don't like the Cybertruck, this truck is popular with over 1 million reservations, according to the latest tally. Musk recently said that the updated version of the Cybertruck features 4 steering along with 4 electric motors. The rear wheel steering is sadly not visible in this video. Tesla plans to bring the Cybertruck to production at Gigafactory Texas by the end of 2022. Whatever this may be, friends, it still is good sign that Tesla is working on the Cybertruck, and I think that it's getting closer and closer, and I'm thinking that if Tesla has gone this far, it is likely that Tesla may be using the 4680 batteries in the Cybertruck, since it's basically already maybe testing with the new batteries. And as soon as the batteries come into production in Gigafactory Texas and maybe Gigafactory Berlin, Tesla will start the production of the Cybertruck, and your orders will probably come sooner than we think. But some patience is in order right now until Tesla brings this new updated Cybertruck version into production. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Let me know your thoughts, friends. What do you think? Let me know them in the comment section below. Let's continue the discussions in the comment section. Do you like these new Cybertrucks? Are there other things that we didn't notice and you noticed? Let them know in the comment section below, please. And subscribe to our channel. God bless you. Give us thumbs up. We would greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you soon in our next report. God bless you and peace be with all of you. Here is the refreshed Model X interior shot. You're looking at the Tesla Model X interior of the refreshed version. A Twitter user named CyberZach42 today posted something on Twitter just 4 hours ago, writing, I just took delivery of my refreshed Model X. It's definitely a spaceship from the future, and I really want to keep it looking like this. Does anyone have any suggestions on how to protect the perforated seats? And he shows these images that you're seeing of his refreshed Tesla Model X interior. This was a big discussion on Reddit Tesla Motors. One person says that looks really nice inside. Sadly, the local Tesla shop doesn't have anything of the refreshed Tesla Model X line on display. Actually, they only had one Model Y. This brings up questions that someone can answer. By the way, guys, if you have the refreshed Model X and I'm going to present you these questions, maybe you can ask, is the interior roomy for the driver? I'm asking about the refreshed Model X. Is the interior roomy for the driver? That it does the car offer room for taller people in the foot well and shoulder room when the car is pushed back? Second, is the ground clearance the same between the 2017 versus 2022 Tesla Model X and the steering wheel? Do you like it or dislike it? So then Zach posted something on Twitter. He commented under his tweet saying, for those who have asked, here is a link to the Tesla Model Club, where he gave a rundown of first impressions of the differences between the 2022 refreshed Model X and the 2017 Model X. I'm looking at that in TeslaMotorsClub.com, and I will have the link in the description of this video, friends. Zach writes saying, I've had a few requests for the differences between the 2017 and 2022 Model X, along with some interior pictures. So here goes, and Zach shares these images that you're seeing on your screens. Handling, I've never driven a Raven Model S or Model X, but this is much better than any pre-Raven Model S or Model X, and in my opinion, Zach says, better than the Model 3. The service manager who moved it before I got there said it was a leap above Raven. Smooth power, he says, I didn't realize how much of difference there was between 4.7 seconds and 3.8 seconds, and he means acceleration. Regarding the sound system, he says music sounds even better, and the fact that nothing rattles makes the bass so smooth. He says nothing rattles. If you have had an earlier Model X, this will make you as excited as it made me. Regarding the road noise, he says the refreshed Tesla Model X is so quiet. Regarding ventilated seats, he says that refreshed Model X, I was skeptical, but I love them. They will be amazing for a long road trip. And he says, I like the yoke. Regarding the steering wheel, I like the yoke, and it didn't take long to get used to. I know a lot of people have had an issue with the turn signals, but I drove 100 miles on the interstate on autopilot, but not NOA, to be honest, I don't know what NOA is, and use them enough to prefer it to a stock, preferring yoke to stock. I prefer the new landscape screen, although everything has moved and I'm not used to it yet. The browser is incredibly fast. He also says there are lots of small changes like lights in the rear speaker grills. Other changes to the refreshed Tesla Model X are the buttons like the Model 3 and Model Y on the inside of the front doors. All 4 door interiors are completely redesigned. Extra cargo components in the rear and slightly smaller front in the refreshed Model X. Probably Tesla made the front slightly smaller to make the interior more roomy. And he says, in summary, the 2017 Tesla Model X is a spaceship, and the 2022 refreshed Tesla Model X is a spaceship from the future. And Zach says, I think that's about it, but let me know if anyone has any additional questions. Zach, thank you very much for sharing all this information. Friends, there are lots of comments in TeslaMotorsClub.com. I will have the link in the description of this video. Let me know your thoughts, and if any one of you is new owner of refreshed Model S or Model X, please share your thoughts, your review of these new vehicles, and let us know in the comment section below. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a great day. God bless you, everyone, and peace be with all of you. Let's move on to our next story.